Hey, what's going on? What's going on YouTube? You got your boy J Quill here, sitting over here getting loaded, Patterson, New York. Come with y'all with another fun fact video. Hey Donna, aka Donnell, the catfish lady. You show your face, but you catfishing people. The catfish with you is telling people how they look, how they carry themselves, and who they are as an individual. I don't need gratification. I know who I am. I know what I bring to the table. I have a lot to offer any strong black female. But you? Nah. You used to tell me, J Quill, I got into an accident. I'm about to get $90,000. I would like to find a good man to share that with. Okay, cool. I will love for you to find a good man so you can share that with. Because 90,000 ain't shit to me. Especially when you self-made and you make that. So that ain't shit to me. Maybe something to you. Because you know probably never seen that kind of money. Never had that kind of money. Something to you. You know what I mean? J Quill. Me and you can, I'm going to leave YouTube. We could run away. We could start companies. I know you bought a container. How much are they? I could buy like a bunch of those and build small houses and resell them. I said, nah. I ain't want no parts of that. J Quill, how can I help you? We can start a trucking company. Nah. I already have one. I don't want to do that with you. So since I didn't want none of that, maybe guys like no battery, he'll take that money. Because if you call yourself no battery, you ain't got no money to buy no batteries. So yeah, he'll take that 90,000. Maybe some other dudes will take 90,000. See, I don't need gratification. I have enough to bring to the table for any strong black woman. For any woman to be exact. I know I have to bring to the table. You don't have nothing to bring. You don't have nothing to offer a man. You know why? Darnell? Because you live with a man. And you live with your son, or they live with you. So all that pump figure you be doing on YouTube, keep doing it. Because you're doing it for views. You're not doing it for yourself. You're doing this shit for views. And it's sad to see a black woman. This the shit right here, right? Not all, but some black women love to sit back and say, I want a good man. I want a strong man. I want a man with a backbone. I want a man with muscles. I want a man get out there and hustle, work, grind. He have to tear down to get his. He got to build back up to get his. I want a man who could build a car from scratch, who could build a foundation from scratch, who could lay the blueprint, lay the concrete, and I come and I just detail the shit. This for all. Not all, but some women. I'm talking about not just black women. I'm talking about all white, black, Hispanic, Asian, Chinese, West Indian, Caribbean black. Y'all all sit up here and say, y'all want a man, a strong man. Not all. Salute to the women. Salute to the women that know how to hold it down with a strong man. That know how to hold a strong man, know how to hold a good man. Even if that man going through it in his head, she know to be there, to grab him, to pick him up. She know to ride with him. She know when he got something in his mind, back off for 15 minutes. Let him get that 15 minutes. She know to let that man be a man. Why take the car to the tire shop where he could change the tire? Some of you women don't want to do that because y'all want to go and get the attention from the tire shop dudes. A lot of y'all don't know that. Boom, 1 second. I'll be right back at you. I gotta start this truck up. Get out of here. One second. I'm gonna get back at you women. Y'all need to hear this shit. thank you. Yeah. A lot of y'all women out there. You wait till this buzzer go away. That was his buzzer clear. Because y'all need to hear this. A lot of y'all might take it the wrong way, but y'all must see the buzzer go. That's an air buzzer. Low air pressure. Got an air leak somewhere in the dashboard. I know that. See, I'm at work right now. That's what I do. See, a lot of you women out there, y'all say what y'all want. I'm gonna tell you what a woman told me one day, right? She said, Jay, you're a nice looking man. You got your shit together as a man. But see, I couldn't trust you. I said, why? Because you out here on the streets. Not in the streets, but you outside. I'd rather have a man in prison. No, listen. She said, I'd rather have a man locked up in jail. It had me messed up in the head. I'm like, why? Because I know where he at all times. That's from just growing up. My opinion, not having a father in her life or not having a good man in her life to navigate and steer her life as a young woman. So she'd rather deal with a man sitting in prison than dealing with a man in her face. It's a lot of women like that. So what I'm trying to say is, women, just because you make $100,000 a year and your man make 35, don't put the money between a good man and love. Give that man a chance. Just because he made $35,000, the things he could do for you around that house, that don't amount to shit. That man, let that man be a man. See, a lot of you women don't want to land and let a man be a man. And when you leave that man, you get with the next man, you tear that man the hell down. That's what a lot of you women do. Y'all need to hear this. Y'all so quick to tear down a good man. Then when you get yourself a man that running circles around you, you're going to love that man even harder. And it's sad. So for women up here on YouTube that ain't got shit to bring to the table, even if you do, but just for women got shit to bring to the table, you living with a man, you mentally unstable, unbalanced, you're not ready for a man, but you get up here and you tear the shit down, man. There's some of you black women will tear the black man down on YouTube, on social media. Sad, man. That's why you ain't never gonna get a man. That's why Donna, aka Donnell, would never get the man she looking for. I wasn't the man for her, and I was honest, and I told her that I did not want nothing from her. I was honest, and since I was honest, you wanna drag me? That's cool. Keep dragging me, because I'm gonna drag your ass back too. Because you ain't that woman. You ain't ready for a man. Nah, you ain't ready for no man. You just like the other sister. You better have a man sitting in prison so you can praise him, so you can send your home photos. That's what you want. You want them dudes sitting in jail sending back photos so you can honor that man, respect that man, love that man. I ain't knocking dudes in jail, but that's what they want. They don't want the man out here working hard, grinding. Nah. So when they can't give the man sex, because offering sex, I didn't want that. But when a man say, you know what, just let me get to know you as a woman. I done been through 100 one-night stands. Just let me get you to know you as a woman, as a person, intellectually, mentally, physically. Let me get to know you. Give me up 2 months to know you before you start talking that bullshit. That turns a man off when a man trying to get to know you. Because when a man like myself that been through women the way I did, I'm not so quick to jump on the first thing running. I'm not quick to jump on the first thing coming. I don't care what you got. I don't care if you got a big house. I don't care if you got a Bentley. I don't care how much money you make. I don't care about none of that shit. I want to get to know you as an individual. And since I can't get to know you, I don't want you. This is my opinion. So stop trying to pay for love. Stop trying to pay for relationship. Stop trying to pay for companionship. Stop trying to pay for attention on social media. Because you know what you're going to get? You're going to get a zero. You're going to get a zero. You want to support a brother? Hit the Cash app, JQuil, $ JQuil ATL. If not, it's cool. Make sure you hit the like button leaving out the door, subscribe and share. I'm cool. But ladies, get to know the man and stop judging that man on the $. Because you can have a man make the same much as you and treat you like trash, or have a man make less than you and love you to the end of the world. It's up to you. It's your pick. I'm out of here.